Merry Christmas Eve! It's Lady Borgia. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, welcome, welcome, welcome. This is my special gift to you for Christmas. This is "Twas the Night Before Makeup," my originally written parody that I wrote last year. Just hours before Christmas Eve. I thought of it while wrapping presents, and we have a tradition in my family where we always read "Twas the Night Before Christmas" every Christmas Eve, children or not. It's a wonderful thing. So, popped to my head, I wrote it, and guess what? I have switched it up a bit. This is the 2018 version. So, are you ready? I'm going to read it to you, and guess what? Then it's time to go. Finish up wrapping presents, and then Santa comes, you know. So, if we're all ready, and the technical is good, let's get going, as all good girls should. Ready? I am. Okay, my loves. 'Twas the night before makeup. 'Twas the night before makeup, when all through the house not a crease blush was blending, not even a good Morphe spray douse. Ooh. The makeup bags were hung with the chimney with care, in hopes that Mother Makeup soon would be there. All the girls and boys lay snug in their beds, with dreams of new Jeffree Star cosmetics dancing in their heads. And he in his curlers, and I in my lubies, had just finished filming our new YouTube, Makeup for Newbies, when all of a sudden my vanity shook. I leapt over my train case and grabbed my new storybook. Armed with an artiste brush, I flew like a flash, tore open my palette, and transitioned fast. The moon on my cheekbones was gleaming with supreme frost, gave luster of midday to all makeup that's been lost. To what to my falsely lashed eyes should appear but a miniature compact and tiny samples from Ipsy, my dear. With a glamorous goddess driver, so gorgeous, I'm shook. I knew in a moment it was Mother Makeup. More rapid than the fastest Insta video, she laughed, blew a kiss, and called those you know. Now Sugar Pill, now Spashbox, now Two-Faced and Stila, on Morphe, on Kat Von D, Lit Glitter, and Juvia. As my knees before summer are ashy and dry, until they meet with La Mer and tan with the sky. So up to the mirror, the makeup it flew, with a compact full of samples, and Mother Makeup, too. And then, in a sparkle and glittery swirl, I heard on my vanity the tapping of makeup, just for this girl. As I drew lines of contour and blended it well, Mother Makeup came sashaying in with a bell. She was all dressed in vegan from her chin to her heel, and her clothes were all sequined because that was her feel. A haul of makeup she carried with her, and looked beat to the gods in her bright pink fake fur. Her eyes, how well blended, her cheekbones just shining, her jaw sharply contoured, and her nose just blinding. Her overdrawn mouth was pouty and full, And her gleaming platinum hair was as white as it goes. Her hands tipped in stilettos as sharp as they come, but don't doubt that they ever slowed her up some. Her beautiful face and her curvy, thick figure slinked around as she laughed and made us all smile bigger. She was talented and quick, a right diva, you know. And I knew when I saw her I'd have perfect Cupid's bow. A wink of her eye and a flick of her hair let me know that she was the master of makeup up in there. She said not a word, but picked up her brush and beat us to heaven, then without a hush. And putting a finger up to her lips, she gave a wink, and out the window she slipped. She jumped in her compact, and she powdered her nose. Up, up, away, the compact it rose. But I heard her say, as she flew to the next hall, "Merry Christmas to all! Love, Mother Makeup." That's all. I hope you guys enjoyed Twas the Night Before Makeup, the 2018 edition. It is Christmas Eve here in New York. I love you all so much. I hope you're having a fantastic Christmas Eve. I'm so happy to be able to do this for you guys. I have my actual book here, The Lady Borgia. I can't wait to do this again for you guys next year, but I've got some things still to do here. Santa Claus is definitely coming, and I don't want to miss any of that. Okay. So, all right, we are ready. We adjusted the gear. Let's wrap up our business and get out of here. All right, I am done rhyming. I love you all so. Merry Christmas to all. And don't ever forget Mother Makeup. We love you all. Don't forget to give your girl a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and ding, 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 dong, ding. Merry Christmas. Hit the bell. All right. I love you guys. Merry Christmas.